FHA versus conventional. Big question I get a lot. So let's dive into it. So FHA requires 3.5% down. Conventional, 3% down. Now, the old days, conventional required more down payment, which is why FHA was considered a better first-time homebuyer type of product. You don't have to be a first-time homebuyer, but usually the first-time homebuyers look for a lower down payment because usually they don't have as much saved up or have money from another sale of a home that they're using to buy the new home. So FHA, 3.5% down, conventional 3% down. Now, what's the differences between the two other than the 0.5% more you got to bring down for FHA? Well, let's look at FHA. FHA also has a 1.75% upfront mortgage insurance fee that's rolled into your loan. So something to look at. Your loan amount's going to go up a little bit and you're paying that off over time. Also, the PMI, the mortgage insurance, is for the life of the loan. Conventional has mortgage insurance, but it's not for the life of the loan. And it will vary on how much it is depending on your credit score. So back to FHA. If your FHA's mortgage insurance is the same, no matter what your credit score is. So depending on where your credit is will depend on kind of where you want to land with your program. So if you have lower credit and you've had some bankruptcy or foreclosures or some derogatory credit that has brought your score down, FHA is probably going to be the better choice. If you have better credit, then the conventional is probably going to be your better choice. Now, both of these programs, interest rate wise, are competitive. But again, it comes down to credit score depending on where they land. So these programs are very similar. It just kind of depends on your situation. So let's review. So FHA, 3.5% down, better if you have lower credit. It has an upfront funding fee that is added to your loan, and the mortgage insurance is for the life of the loan. Conventional, 3% down, looks for a little better credit, and the mortgage insurance will go away. So in the long haul, the 3% down conventional program, if you had the better scores, would be probably the better choice, but it all comes down to your situation. So if you want to dive into it deeper, there's a lot more detail, but just to give you the highlights of it, that's the differences between the two. Reach out and I will talk to you soon.